Hello everyone, myself Dr. Shiva Khan Pathak here available with you to see topic van der Waal equation. Here in this van der Waal equation we will see causes for its derivation, why we are going to derive this equation, and correction for the derivations, right? Since we know that here in this van der Waal equation we will do two things, the first thing and the second thing, causes of derivation and second one is a correction for a derivation. So we are knowing that van der Waal equation is modified form of ideal gas equation. It is a modified form of ideal gas equation. So it means that we are going to modify ideal gas equation. So let us write first of all ideal gas equation. For 1 mole of gas, ideal gas equation is PV is equal to RT. See here in this, PV is equal to RT. We are going it by represent equation number 1. Here in if the same equation for n mole of gas, the same equation can be written as PV is equal to nRT, where we are knowing the symbols have their usual meaning. So this is ideal gas. Ideal gas means what? Ideal gas represent ideal gas. What is this? So if this equation is for ideal gas, so ideal gas obeys Boyle's law, Charles law, gas equation completely. This is ideal gas. If any gas obeys all these laws perfectly, then it is called ideal gas. And ideal gas equations, and if we see the concept of a pressure in which some things are obtained, considered, that is what in the pressure law, kinetic theory of pressure law means pressure equation. Is obtained by considering certain assumptions. What are these assumptions? See here in the green color. Actual volume of gas is negligible in comparison to the total volume of gas. It means that a gas molecule has very less volume in comparison to its total volume. So the volume of a molecule is neglected in comparison to the total volume. And second was no intermolecular force act between gaseous molecule. It was a concept of this both of ideal gas. But this van der Waal equation is for real gas, in which these two assumptions, number 1 and number 2, cannot be ignored. Actually, so we are going to see one assumptions here and see what is effect on it after neglecting it. So see, the first assumption is, see first of all this, actual volume of gas is negligible in comparison to total volume. It it implies that a gas molecule has no volume, no space in comparison to the total volume, because we are knowing intermolecular space in the gases are very high in comparison to solid and liquid, and indefinite shape and indefinite size. But there is some volume. Really, there is some volume of real volume of this effective volume that is called. So here in the real gas, volume of gas molecule considered. That is why correction in the volume required. Here in this, correction in volume is required. The first. That is why this is here explanation is for the first, cause for derivation. So these two assumptions are responsible to rectify these formulas. So we are going to take first and their correction here, correction in the volume. See, in the correction of the volume, we consider this factor. What is this factor? Volume of gas molecule corrected, right? For 1 mole of gas, effective volume. What is effective volume? Effective volume is volume of gas molecule is taken as a constant, and this constant factor is denoted by V. So here in this C, in this, let gas is filled in the container, the gas molecules are moving, the total volume is here given of the container is a capital V. These molecules, gas molecules also occupy some space. If it is 1 mole gas is filled in it, then the effective volume of this gas molecules are here. So for collision, V minus V space is available only. V minus V is available only. In that condition, rectified volume V minus B is considered in place of V. So see very carefully here in the red box, the rectified volume is V minus V is taken into consideration in place of V. So in place of V, we are using here V minus V. Now second thing you see very carefully, second assumptions. We have explained that intermolecular force of attraction in case of solid and liquids, but it does not act in case of gases. But it is really not the case. Some pressure is force of attraction acts. In the normal theory, general theory, it is given force of repulsion acts between this. So here in this we are going to consider the force of attraction here in this, and due to that we are doing correction in the pressure of a gas, because we are knowing that pressure of a gas is the momentum transfer on the wall of the container here. So see the second correction. Second correction is correction in volume in pressure. See for the correction in pressure, everyone. See in this diagram very carefully to understand the concept of this correction in the pressure. Let here 1 mole of gas is filled having volume V. These are the gas molecule. A gas molecule, this is attracted by all molecules from the surrounding in 3-dimensional. Right, this molecule A is affected by all surrounding molecule. It's clear? So the net force affected, this force of attraction acts really, and the net force is 0. The vector sum of all the forces, net force is 0 because it is acting in all possible direction, so resultant force is 0. But see, consider a molecule B which is going to collide on the wall of here is considered. So upward force is cancelled by at B. First of all, see, upward force cancel by downward force, downward. See, but see here, this is the effective force. Effective force is this. Let it is F dash. F dash is effective force. Which decreases. Surely, if force is acting in opposite direction, so it will decreases velocity of gas molecule. Before the collision, so the velocity of gases decreases. So as a result, applied less pressure than real pressure. So if its force decreases, force per unit area is called pressure. So pressure applied on the wall of a container decreases, and total pressure is calculated by the of a gas is calculated by the force per unit area applied on the wall of a container. So rectified pressure here, pressure capital P is real pressure plus extra pressure P dash, which is here. Let this, we are calculating this P double dash or P dash here due to decrease in here the intermolecular forces. So it's this P dash actually depends upon density of molecule. This P dash depends upon density of molecule. Actually it is square of this, directly proportional to the square of this density, and it can be represented by equation number 4 here in this. Now, so this P dash is equal to here a constant B by B density square, or it also can be written as here. See, before keeping the constant, this is, we are knowing density is equal to mass of volume. Here mass is 1 mole. So we may write this effective pressure is inversely proportional to the volume, because in the formula gases pressure and volume is there. So density factor is converted in the volume. Now this equation is shifted. P dash is equal to B by V square, where B is constant, and it is characteristic property of a gas depend upon this different parameters. We will discuss later on here in it. So this P dash. So rectified pressure is P dash. P is equal to capital P is equal to P plus P dash. It is a P plus B by V square. So pressure we are considering in place of this. It is represented by question number 2. It is for 1 mole of gas. For n mole, it can be written as P dash is equal to P plus n square B by V square. Here in the correction of volume, this is rectified volume V minus V we have taken for 1 mole. For n mole, this is also V minus NB. It is equation number 2. So by considering both concept here, ideal gas equation can be written as for 1 mole it is Pb is equal to RT. So in place of P plus 1 mole B by V square, and volume V minus V is equal to RT. It is equation number 8. And for n mole, it is P plus n square B by V square V minus NB is equal to RT. Right? This both equation is called equation of real gas or van der Waals equation. Van der Waals equation. Right? Now we are going to for the unit of van der Waals constant. So first of all we are going to see for A. See in this van der Waals equation it is P plus, this is here is a little correction here. The B we have taken constant in the correction of B. So in correction of P we have taken a constant A here. So everywhere we are considering it as A. In this case A here in this case. So see for the correction in this, it is P plus A by V square. So pressure is added with pressure only. This indicates that unit of P is equal to unit of A by V square. This implies that unit of A is equal to unit of P into unit of V square. So unit of A is equal to unit of P is equal to Newton per meter square into unit of volume meter cube square. This is Newton meter power 4. It is unit of A. Dimension of A can be written as dimension of Newton meter square. Newton is a force, ml t minus 2 into L power 4 is here meter power 4. So dimension of A can be written as m L power 5 t minus 2. Right? this unit is for per mole, because this formula P plus A by V square, V minus V is equal to RT, we have taken for 1 mole of gas. Now see, for unit of B, being 1 mole of gas, volume is rectified by V minus V. So we are knowing that if you are subtracting two physical quantity, it can be done only if both have a same unit. So this implies that unit of volume is equal to unit of B. So this is unit of B is equal to LQ. So meter cube, dimension of B is equal to LQ. So identify the factor. The B is the volume and A is Newton per meter square, Newton meter square per mole. It is, so these are a quantity, and A and B is characteristic property of a gas. Gases, and it is a different for different gas. So it is for total van der Waals equation. Thank you and have a nice day too.